And now adventures with marshmallows and Nutella.
Shut up.
Let me see.
Yum. Is that cat hair? No.
No, it just gets stringy. Ow,
I'm sick.
It's hot. It's so good, but now I feel like I'm gonna throw up.
It looks like it's hairy. It looks like it's who? Hairy. Hairy?
No, like with hairs on it.
You have water.
No, we're all out. Can you hold the plate? Thanks. Spicy. There we go.
Isn't this amazingly good?
This is amazing. This is a message to everyone in the world. Microwave marshmallows and put Nutella in it. Very good.
Never hair in your mouth. You're a lot of stuff in your mouth too.
I'm a little messy.
We all are.
We all are dirty. Filthy. Another synonym for dirty.
Dude, touching your apple with dirty hands.
I'm not.
Steven!
Look at it.
That's not clean, Steven. Oh, that's mine.
Not gonna get on the screen.
It's you, Brian. Oh. Can you turn that off, please? Or at least wash your hands first. So, you're the inventor of this recipe. What's it like?
Amazing. I am.
She just made it up.
There's probably other people out in the world.
It don't matter.